As crypto technology in other industries like DeFi and NFTs gain popularity, more exchanges are opening to fulfill demand where users can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. 2017's Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange. Welcome to Crypto News. Today we are going to talk about how to buy and sell crypto safely using Binance. Stay with us until the end of the video to know more. Like and subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell button to get notified for all the latest updates. Let's jump into the topic. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, with users in 180 countries. It is straightforward to use and includes beginner-friendly features offering a Binance Academy to help you learn more about crypto. Binance caters to crypto beginners and DeFi degens alike. Due to regulatory pressure in some countries, Binance has implemented a trustworthy user authentication method and removed, or limited, certain problematic features like security tokens and high-leverage trading. Binance mobile and desktop application. Binance offers its services across iOS, Android, browser-based websites, Mac and Windows desktop apps. If you're a sophisticated user who needs speedy updates with minimal latency, the mobile app or desktop version brings a better experience, as the browser-based exchange can lag during heavy transaction volumes. How to use Binance in the US. Due to financial restrictions, the US has specific Binance requirements. Operating as Binance US, this platform is available in all states except New York, Texas, Vermont, Hawaii, Idaho, Connecticut, and Louisiana. To use this platform, first download the Binance app or visit their website on a PC to create an account. Before depositing fiat or cryptocurrency, you must authenticate your account. How to verify your Binance account. As a controlled exchange, Binance requires identification verification. It must comply with AML and CFT regulations. KYC criteria must be met. ID verification increases Binance fiat deposit and withdrawal limitations. Binance customer support is vast, making verification easy. To complete your verification, log into your account, select Become Verified, and complete the basic, intermediate, and advanced fiat limitations. The requirements include nationality, first name, last name, date of birth, street address, zip code, and city. To increase your limit, you must upload photos of your government-issued ID. Depending on the country, you may use an ID, passport, or driver's license. Face verification requires a selfie or photo upload. Uploading a bank statement or utility bill is necessary for advanced verification. How to deposit money on Binance. Binance supports 50 fiat currencies. You can deposit fiat via bank transfer or debit/credit card. After 24 hours, you can buy cryptocurrency and trade on Binance. Free, quick, and convenient deposit options are common. How to deposit crypto on Binance. The following procedures will make depositing crypto on Binance easy for beginners. Binance accepts deposits from different wallets. To transfer BTC from Coinbase to Binance, follow these instructions. Copy your Binance wallet address and paste it into Coinbase to deposit funds. Select the desired cryptocurrency, BTC. Select the withdrawal protocol BTC, ERC20, TRC20, BEP2, BEP20, etc. on the platform. The Binance wallet protocol must be valid. Click Withdrawal and verify, if any. Choosing the wrong protocol can lead to crypto loss. Blockchain traffic may delay confirmation of your request. Monitor your deposits by checking your transaction history. How to trade on Binance. For beginners, Binance real-time cryptocurrency trading is a big lure for users. The exchange gives experienced traders multiple trading interfaces. Binance Convert tool simplifies everything for newcomers. In the top field, enter the cryptocurrency you want to trade and the amount. In the bottom field, enter currency or fiat. After the trade is executed, the fees are subtracted. Trading is easier with real-time spot trades. Binance offers market, limit, stop limit, and OCO spot trading. In short, a market order allows you to buy or sell instantaneously at the current price. Because of a price differential between selling and purchasing orders, you jump the line and trade at the best immediate offer. A limit order lets you establish a trade price higher than the current price for selling and lower for buying. Set a buy order for Bitcoin worth $40,000 if the price drops to $35,535. A stop limit order combines a stop loss and limit order to protect you you from significant market changes. You can put buy or sell orders above or below the current price. Here's an example. You can set a stop limit sell order at $55,000 if Bitcoin is $50,000 and you're bullish. Bitcoin falling. Set a stop loss at $46,000. Your orders execute automatically whenever the price reaches these criteria, helping you maximize gains or reduce losses. Stop limit orders make you choose a direction, and getting it wrong can be costly. In 2019, Binance added OCO orders. An OCO order lets you set a sale or buy order higher and lower than a crypto asset's current price. If Bitcoin's price is $40,000 and you wish to trade on autopilot, you can put a sell order at $38,000 for a 5% loss, or $44,000 for a 10% profit, depending on your trading preference. When a cryptocurrency's price moves too quickly, Elon, your orders may be skipped. Whales can affect crypto prices, especially in low liquidity markets, by placing enormous buy and sell orders to crash or spike the price, hitting your stop loss or liquidation margin orders and bouncing or dropping right back. These scenarios result in a bull or bear trap. Don't put all your eggs in one order basket. Conduct your research first. How to buy crypto on Binance. Link your bank card to your Binance wallet or make a direct bank transfer to acquire crypto. This technique lets you browse thousands of Binance merchants and choose the best payment option. Binance P2P, peer-to-peer, technology automatically shows sellers based on amount of crypto you wish to buy and payment method. Your crypto is released after the buyer verifies payment. Our Binance P2P trading guide has further info. Some countries don't allow buying crypto on Binance with fiat currency. Binance users must abide by local legislation. How to sell crypto on Binance. Profiting from the dip. Binance makes selling crypto easy. Simply withdraw or convert your profit to your Binance fiat wallet. Head to Binance cash balance area, click Sell Crypto, select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, input the amount, then select your fiat currency. The top left will display your total payout. Your transaction will be executed and your money will be transferred to your fiat wallet when you confirm your request. P2P is another option to sell crypto. First, send the cryptocurrency you want to sell to your P2P wallet. Click Sell and enter the number of coins/tokens to sell. Execute payment procedure. Until the buyer pays, the transaction shows waiting payment and confirms receipt. Tap Confirm after receiving the money to release the coin. Binance fees explained. Deposits are free on Binance, however network congestion affects Bitcoin withdrawal fees. Trading and paying in Binance Coin (BNB) reduces fees by 25%. Each coin's withdrawal costs differ. Binance appeal stems from its low fees and reduced BNB trading. What is Binance Coin (BNB) and how to buy it? BNB is the Binance cryptocurrency. At the time of writing, it was the third most valuable cryptocurrency. Binance Coin (BNB) was developed in 2017 to decrease exchange trading fees, and its uses have grown quickly. On Binance Launchpad, the coin can be used to get free project tokens. It can be used for travel, leisure, and financial services. It pays Binance Smart Chain transaction fees. BNB can be bought on Binance, KuCoin, FTX, Gate.io, Bitham, and Poloniex, among others. How safe is Binance? Binance is a secure exchange, however in 2019, $40 million worth of bitcoins were stolen. Binance has since enhanced its security and guaranteed to compensate all losses with insurance. Two-factor authentication helps safeguard Binance user accounts. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ, uses SAFU to reassure users that their cash are safe. It used to signify safe funds, but today it's an emergency rainy day fund. Binance has helped with authorities to freeze compromised assets or criminals' accounts, but it doesn't roll back hacks on its own blockchain. BSC. How to withdraw crypto from Binance. Binance withdrawals are easy but may be delayed by network congestion and blockchain verification. Log into Binance, click Wallet, then Withdraw, to withdraw crypto or money. Next, choose your cryptocurrency. Some crypto can be issued on different networks, which you must choose. Copy the wallet address, then click Submit. Click Receive on the receiving wallet. How to withdraw fiat from Binance. Binance supports fiat currencies. Log in, then click Wallet and Fiat and Spot to withdraw. Withdraw, then Fiat, select the withdrawal currency and payment method. Countries and regions have different processes. Confirm your withdrawal amount. Usually, your money will arrive within 30 minutes. Withdrawals contain fees and every withdrawal requires two-step authentication. That's all for today. We hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be notified of our next update. Thanks for watching.